Hey guys, welcome back to Phone Tricks. In this video, we'll learn how to add fingerprint in IQOO 9 Pro smartphone. Without a further ado, let's get started. First of all, we need to swipe up, then went into settings, then swipe up, then you need to enter security. Now we need to click on the fingerprint. Now enter your pattern now. Then click start inputting. Now you need to press and take your finger on that area. So that's all. So because of ultra fingerprint sensor in IQOO 9 Pro, we don't need to touch and take the finger again and again. We can take fingerprint at one time easily. It's a very useful feature. Now we check the unlock. It's unlocking very fastly. So that's all guys. I hope this video is very useful to you. If you like this video, hit thumbs up and do subscribe our channel for more interesting phone videos. Thank you.